Hi guys, welcome to our last challenge for our coloring challenges. This is number 4 out of 4 for our Autism Awareness Coloring Contest challenges. This one is primary colors. So if you're looking for ideas for your contest pages, check out all the other challenges too. It's largely just for fun to challenge yourself so that we can get more pages colored. Why? Because every page that you color, $1 is donated for each page by our sponsors and some other local businesses. So the more pages you submit, the more money that you're raising for local autism programs without spending your own money. Genius, right? So cool. So make sure that you do as many pages as you can. Go here for your download, and to find all of the contest information, it will also tell you how to submit. And yeah, so let's get rolling. Our primary colors. So the idea for this contest is to try to use the primary colors. What are they? They are the colors. Oh, here's your big test. You remember? Primary colors are the 3 colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors. You have to have these colors. So our primaries are yellow, red, and blue. Right? Yeah, you can use gray and black if you'd like. You can use other versions of the blues and the reds and the yellows if that helps kind of mix things up for you. But feel free to get creative with it. If you're really stuck, you can look back at challenge number 3, which is about using dots and lines. And you can use that with this one too. It might make it a little bit easier or more fun for you. Play around. So here is my website, crystalsalomon.com/autism-awareness. And if you go here, you will find challenge number 4 listed here. So you can find a gallery of other examples. If you mention that your page is for the challenge, then I will add yours to this gallery too. So check that out. And yeah, have lots of fun. Thank you again to our sponsors, and thank you to you guys for every time that you share or like or do anything to help support the contest. It makes a big difference. So yeah, go have fun and color. Happy coloring, guys.